If you're new to Telegram or just want to connect with someone quickly, knowing how to add a user by their username is essential. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to find anyone on Telegram using just their username and start a conversation in seconds. Let's dive right in and master this simple, practical skill together. To start, the most straightforward way to connect with someone is through Telegram's built-in search function. This method is fast, reliable, and works whether or not you already have the person's phone number or are in the same group. So go ahead and open your Telegram app. You'll see a magnifying glass icon usually up at the top right corner of your screen. That's your search tool. Give that search icon a tap. Now you're ready to type in the username of the person you're trying to reach. Here's a key detail: Telegram usernames always start with the @ symbol. For example, it might look something like a John Doe user. Be sure you've got the spelling right. Usernames are case-sensitive, and it's remarkably easy to miss a character or mix up a number if the name is similar to others. Think of it like entering an email address. Even a tiny typo means you might not find the person you're looking for. If you're not 100% sure about the spelling, double-check with the person or carefully copy and paste if you have it written somewhere. Once you type out the username exactly as it appears, Telegram will display results under the section called Global Search. Sometimes you'll notice there are quite a few similar usernames, so take a moment to look for a profile picture or any other familiar details to help you pick the right one. If you happen to have the user in your contacts already, they'll show up in your main results too. Next, simply tap on the correct user's name or profile. This opens up a brand new conversation window with them, almost like sending a digital handshake. You don't need any special permissions at this stage. Telegram's username system is designed to let people reach each other quickly and securely as long as they've set a public username. Now you're ready to send your first message. Just type out your greeting or whatever you'd like to say and hit send. That's it, you've now initiated a chat, and that person will show up in your recent chats list. On Telegram, starting a chat is how you effectively add someone, even if they're not technically saved as a contact. You'll see the ongoing conversation whenever you open the app, making it easy to keep in touch. One helpful tip: if you're building a network or working with a team, usernames are a great way to keep your communication organized and accessible without sharing phone numbers. And don't worry if you can't find the user right away. Take a minute to recheck that @ symbol and the exact username spelling. Sometimes it takes a few tries, and that's perfectly normal. So there you have it. Connecting on Telegram by username is a breeze once you know the steps. If you found this guide helpful, please tap like and leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Telegram.